Hey, it's me. No, wait. Don't close the door. Please. I know I'm the last person you want to see right now, but I really, really need to talk to you. Please, I'm completely serious. Look, I'll say what I need to say, and after that, if you want me to get out of here and pretend like I don't know you, that's what I'll do. I promise. Please? It's raining and I'm soaked and I came all the way here just so I could talk to you, and I can't leave until I explain to you why I broke up with you so abruptly. Well, if you don't let me in, I'll just wait here by your door until you feel ready to let me in. I'll probably get hypothermia and die, but whatever, I'll wait right here in the cruel and cold heavy rain. Ah, thank you. Then, excuse me. Can you give me a towel? I don't want to get your floor wet. Okay, You didn't need to throw it at my face, but thank you. Can I sit? Yeah, I figured you wouldn't let me sit on your couch. It's alright, I can do this standing up. First of all, I'm sorry for coming here like this. I know I don't have the right after what I've done, but I really need to tell you something. And I'm sorry I said all that about being cold and me being soaked and getting hypothermia and dying. I didn't want to make you feel like you had to let me in. I just said all that because I was trying to be funny and... Right. Okay. Straight to business, I see. Okay. I can do that. It's alright. Yeah, I can do that. So, I came here today because I want to explain exactly why I broke up with you like that, and I also want to apologize for it. For hurting you. Do you remember the night everything happened? Yeah. We were at that party and everything was great. It was the first time I went to a party after a very long time, and I was surprised with how much fun I was having. I got off the dance floor and I went looking for you, and I saw you talking to a guy. Tall, muscular and handsome guy. You weren't touching him or even smiling at him, but I just felt so jealous, so insecure and pathetic all of a sudden. I had to really control myself to not go there and start screaming at the both of you. After that, I went straight home, I packed my things and left. I left you and I broke things off by text. And I blocked you. And I am so sorry I did that. I have no excuses. What I did was irresponsible, immature, and downright just cruel. I know I inflicted a lot of pain on you because of what I did, and after I came to my senses, I regretted it so much. Hey, no. It's not your fault. It's my fault, I swear. Please don't cry. I hate to see you cry, and I hate even more that I'm the one who made you cry. I hate myself for what I did to you. everything that's happening right now, it's on me. I'm responsible for your pain and for my own pain. I came here because I want you to know that you didn't do anything wrong. You're not the reason I broke us up. I'm the reason. I have problems. Do you remember when I told you that things ended badly with my ex? At the time I didn't give you any details, but I broke up with her because she was cheating on me. I caught them in the act at a party. The guy she was cheating on me with was a tall, muscular, and very handsome guy. Just like the guy you were talking with that night. That guy looked so much like the one my ex was with that I panicked. I decided to run away instead of talking to you and getting things clear. So many terrible feelings and thoughts came rushing down upon me, and I just felt so overwhelmed by them that I had to get away from that scene. From you. And by doing that, I hurt you. I'm so sorry for breaking your heart like that. You didn't deserve it. I know. I believe you. I know you weren't cheating on me with that guy. I know you guys were just talking, but at the time my mind couldn't process that. I am really sorry for what I put you through. And to be honest, I had to prepare myself a lot to come here and talk to you. I was really scared to see you again, to see the hate and sadness in your eyes, all caused by me. But I wanted to do the right thing and be responsible for my actions, so here I am. Yes, I know I should have talked to you that night. I just... I couldn't bear the thought of you doing something like that to me, so I avoided you. I know you would never do something like that. I know you are completely different from my ex. I know all that. You never gave me reasons to be suspicious of you, and I got paranoid all on my own because of what happened in my past relationship. I look back at what I did to you and I feel so much hatred towards myself. If I could go back in the past, I would punch myself in the face. I swear. Don't laugh. I'm serious. Hey, you're laughing right now. Does that mean you forgive me? Yes, I understand. Of course, you're still angry about what I did. I just thought that maybe we could start again. You're afraid I'll hurt you again. My God, what did I do to you? I was so scared of being hurt like in the past that I caused you to get that same feeling. I did exactly what I was afraid of happening to me And I did it to you. I'm so sorry. I can't believe I left you scarred like this. I knew I made a big mistake, but I didn't realize how big it really was. God, I can't believe this. I'm the worst. Maybe I'm even worse than my ex. Oh, I did something terrible. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. No. I don't deserve your comfort. I'm the one who should be comforting you right now. You didn't do anything wrong, and I caused you so much pain. Only now I'm seeing what I did will mark you for a long time. Maybe even the rest of your life. It will affect your trust in other people, your future relationships. I think I ruined everything. I'm sorry. The fact that I've gone through some emotional trauma is not an excuse to do the same to you. Please, don't try to defend me. Don't make excuses for me. I don't deserve it. I see now that we shouldn't get back together. We're both hurt and need time to heal. Maybe we will heal better if we're away from each other. I have to go now. I said all I wanted to say. I realized how big of a mistake I really made, and I will keep my promise to you. I will act like we don't know each other. I have to. I'm so ashamed of myself. I can't even look at your face. Please, just let me go. You forgive me? Really? But you don't need to. I understand if you don't forgive me. I don't think I deserve it, to be honest. I see. You're right. Forgiveness is an important step to healing. Therapy? No, I never thought about it. But maybe I should have. This wouldn't be happening right now if I sought help before entering another relationship. I would have never damaged you like this if I sought therapy. Yeah, I'll do it. I don't want to risk hurting another person again. My family, friends, and you. I'm finally doing the right thing. I'll ask for professional help. Yes. Yeah. Another important step for healing is asking for help. Together? You really want to go together to therapy? Wait, does that mean you want to give our relationship another chance? Oh, I'm so glad. Thank you. Thank you, really. Really. But I feel like I don't deserve it. What if your fear becomes true? What if I hurt you again? No, of course I don't want to. I only want the best for you. I promise. Yes. Yeah, let's work together on that. Let's do our best in this relationship. I'll do my best to only bring you happiness, to be more communicative, and to be more trusting. I'll give you all I have, my love. Thank you. Thank you so much for this chance to make things right. I love you so much. Can I kiss you? God, I missed you so much. Could I ever let you go? I was so stupid, my love. I'm so sorry. I know, but I'm still sorry. I'll be better. We'll get better. Yes, together. Everything's gonna be okay now. I love you, darling. I truly, truly love you.